So this is pretty much the application. Top here, pretty much go here to go and select your servers, and while I'm getting to the application, you will see quite a few ads. So do keep that in mind as well, guys. So all I have to do is just tap on the R icon over here and then tap on the X to remove the ads. And in this section here, be able to see all the servers that are available. And I would recommend you use the auto option here where it says auto and the circle here with the United States option. Once I've selected that, you tap on OK here as you raise the connection request. Once you've done that, VPN will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, it will show an ads again. This application does have quite a few amount of ads. So once you're connected, again, you will see a bunch of ads. So that's only the downside of this application here. It's too much ads. It's bombarded with quite a lot of ads. But anyways, once you've connected, you're pretty much good to go. It works very good. Not gonna lie, speed's not that bad. And as well, you can add more time as it relates to this. As you can see here, you only get 30 minutes of connection time. So it's all up to you. And as I said again, you're going to experience a lot of just trying to use this application here. So all you have to do is make sure you watch the full ads and tap on the skip option here, then on the X, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it. And if I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section again, ads. And without it, guys, see you in the next one.